What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday, yeah, it's Halloween. Yeah, definitely.
What holiday is the most fun?
Halloween. Just, love horror movies and, the fall time. Just a good holiday for me.
Which season best represents your personality?
Fall, because I'm a big fan of the whole Halloween. I like the colder weather. The trees look nice when they change color, things like that. I like the creepy, kind of, spooky type stuff. I always found it kind of interesting. Not really much of a Christmas guy, so,
The year that it came out, I dressed up as it. My neighbor next door, she hates clowns. So it was just one of those things, the movie came out, I said, oh, this is a perfect opportunity. So I went and bought the costume, makeup, did the whole thing, filled her whole living room up with balloons. So as soon as she came in, I laughed so hard, it was so funny, I'll tell you.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, but yes, because when I was working out in the beaches, it'd be creepy as hell. Because in the basement, it'd be creepy. It's like quiet, and all of a sudden you hear a noise like, yo, what is that?